Hey everyone! Do you have Lazada coins and want to transfer them to your Lazada wallet? In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to activate your Lazada wallet and start using your coins. Make sure to follow every step so you don't miss anything important. So, let's get started. First, open the Lazada app on your mobile device. On the home screen, tap the Account tab at the bottom. Scroll down to the Lazada Wallet section and tap the MYR option. On the next page, tap the Activate button at the top. Enter your phone number and wait for the SMS code to be sent to you. Enter the code and then tap Activate Wallet. That's it. Your wallet is now activate and your Lazada coins are ready to use. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.